What is MBA in HR? Overview, scope, and benefits. Human resource (HR) professionals are vital in a way that human capital is one of an organization's most important assets.
Before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprint Seal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
The innovative skills and knowledge needed to manage and develop resources effectively are supplied by an HR MBA. However, what is an HR MBA exactly, and how can it help you advance in your career? This article reviews career prospects, the great business skills for 2025, the specifics of obtaining an MBA in human resources, and much more. What is MBA in HR, human resource? A detailed overview. An MBA in HR covers strategic planning, organizational development, employee relations, and leadership in addition to people management. While it involves coordinating workforce strategies with organizational objectives, experts in this field are necessary. This course assists graduates between both theoretical and practical knowledge, preparing them for a range of HR-related roles. Due to the growing need for skillful HR professionals who decided to bring on by working remotely and in global teams, an MBA in HR will be a highly in-demand degree in 2025. What is covered by an HR MBA? The following topics are covered by an MBA in HR. Talent acquisition and recruitment, acknowledging the best ways to draw in and employ top talent. Employee engagement and retention, methods for raising spirits and keeping workers on board. Compliance with labor laws, comprehension of rules and laws in the workplace. Development of leadership, organizations should develop their leadership skills. Compensation and benefits, designed to set up plans for workers' pay and benefits. This program combines typical business administration skills with an HR-specific knowledge perspective on humans and provide thorough capital management. Why select an MBA in HR? For several reasons, think about obtaining an MBA in human resources. Career development offers entry to more senior roles like talent acquisition head, HR manager, and HR business partner. Times high demand. HR specialists who learn multicultural leadership are in high demand as companies develop internationally. Multiple opportunities, work in several kinds of sectors such as production, IT, healthcare, and education. Strategic planning effects, take part in the group responsible for making decisions relating to workforce strategy and organizational culture. How to get an MBA in HR? To pursue an MBA in HR, one must be dedicated and well prepared. To assist you on this journey, here is a step-by-step guide. Research programs. Look into prestigious colleges and business schools that provide human resources Master of Business Administration degrees. Verify for career services and support, alma mater reviews, syllabus details, and certification. Meet eligibility criteria. Typically, you'll need a bachelor's degree with a good academic record and a competitive score on entrance exams like GMAT, GRE, or equivalent. Entrance exams, prepare for exams such as GMAT, CAT, or other region-specific tests. High scores improve your chances of admission to top programs. Prepare application materials, submit an updated resume, statement of purpose, SOP, and letters of recommendation. Highlight your leadership experience and interest in HR. Apply to programs, submit applications to your shortlisted schools, ensuring deadlines and requirements are met. Ace the interview. Many MBA programs include an interview process. Showcase your passion for HR and career aspirations during the discussion. Funding security. Examine financial assistance, subsidies, and bursaries. Likewise, some companies offer tuition assistance for career advancement. After being accepted, get involved in the coursework, connect with classmates, and take part in internships to gain real-world experience. Possibilities for employment after earning an MBA in HR. An MBA in Human Resources provides up a wide range of possibilities for careers across industries. HR MBA graduates usually have a number of roles: HR manager, supervise hiring, staff management, and employee involvement. Talent acquisition specialist, be particularly mindful of hiring strategies, candidate sourcing, and onboarding. Compensation and benefits manager, set up competitive pay scales and benefit plans. Consultant for learning and development, create and implement training programs to enhance employee competencies. HR analytics specialist, use data-driven insights to optimize HR operations and decision-making. Employee relations manager, manage workplace issues, settle conflicts, and create a positive atmosphere. Consultant for global mobility, handle foreign worker assignments and labor law compliance. With chances for progress into leadership roles as they gain experience, MBA graduates commonly find employment in sectors such as technology, universal healthcare, finance, and consulting.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with Sprint Seal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.